Assalamu alaikum, hello and namaste. Welcome to another inspiring episode, number 133 of The Limelight. I'm your host Fareen Taj here. I'm a voice coach, podcast coach, and also writing a book on relationship. Well, today on the hot seat, we have a very cute personality. She is the founder of India's biggest women community called the Classy Women in Motivational Niche. She has over 2 million followers on Instagram and she helps brands and business owners to create a strong community online. Also, she is an Insta coach. So, listeners, please welcome our guest, Komal Dikshit. Hello, Komal. How are you doing today?
Hello, Fareen. I'm absolutely fine. How are you?
I'm great. It's such a pleasure to have you on my podcast.
Thank you, Fareen. Thank you for inviting me here.
You're welcome. Well, Komal, before we talk about your journey, I want you to tell our listeners a little bit about yourself.
All right. So, hey everybody, this is Komal Dikshit from India. I'm basically from Haryana and I am a student. I have completed my master's degree last year only, and I am the founder of a women community that is Classy Women, which got 1 million plus followers. So yeah, I started this community when I was just a student. I was in the second year of my graduation, and I started this. And in 4 years, we are a strong community of 1 million plus women.
That's marvelous, Komal. And I have been following you, I think, from past 6 months, the content you have designed, and it's so inspiring, motivating, informative mainly.
Thank you so much for it.
You're welcome. So now my question comes, what inspired you to start Classy Women on Instagram?
All right. So the journey begins like I was a student. I was in my college and I am like kind of introvert person. Like I don't talk too much with the people around me. So somehow I get into the social media stuff. I used to scroll on the pages, and being a student, like everybody needs motivation every day, to start your studies and everything. So that's how I started following some motivational pages over Facebook, because that time I was using Facebook, not the Instagram. And that's how the idea to start my page came into my mind, because and it was never a planned thing. I never thought of creating a big community. I just started the page to motivate myself. Then somehow people liked the content, they started messaging me, and that's how I thought, let's make it big.
Wow, that's wonderful and great initiative, Komal.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How did you go about building such a strong community for women? Like, I know it is hard because I'm struggling on Instagram to get like followers with content. And how did you do it?
So Farin, it was not easy for me as well. Like it's too tough. There were times when I was thinking just to give up, but somehow there is thing like that motivate me is that my content was great. Like people were appreciating it, and that's the thing. I just keep posting the content. There were times when I thought that this is not growing, but the thing is I was getting so much appreciation from everyone, like every person who visited my page and then appreciated me. That's the thing that keep motivating me to grow this community. Main thing to grow over Instagram is your content. It should be something that your audience appreciate. Keep asking your audience what they like and what they don't like. Ask them, keep engaging with them. I believe this is the one thing that is needed to grow over Instagram, because most of the time we people are lacking in engaging. We don't engage too much and then expect to grow over Instagram. So I gave a lot of time on Instagram, even though I was a student. I managed my studies and the Instagram stuff and everything. That's how the community built. And I want to add here is that when I started the community, as I said, it was never a well planned thing that I will go and make a big millions of community. But when I was just starting out, I meet a friend. Her name is Tarini Dan, and she lives in US. So I met her online, and then she inspired me that Komal, you are doing great with the content thing. I believe we should together do it on a bigger level. So she was the first person who told me the thing that you should start this women community, not just to motivate yourself or just some people. Let's do it bigger. So she is still with me. She is helping me, uh, to help other women. For example, currently we are having a page named CW dot messages, where we individually talk to the women. We try to solve their problems. We try to motivate them. So yeah, there is like a stuff that is going on. So Tarini is with me. She's helping me out this. So yeah, these are the things that made me to build this community.
That's great. You had someone to support you, and that too, that person came forward and gave you the idea and still with you. That's impressive. We need more people like this with us.
Definitely, definitely.
Yeah. Okay. Now, you were studying when you started Classy Women, right?
Yeah.
And how did you get to manage these both things, the Instagram account? I know college students have the account, they post and all, but building something for a community and studying, how did you manage that?
Well, it was also very tough for me because to manage the studies, because I was a good student, like getting good grades. So I don't, I don't want my study and the Instagram thing, like, my parents were expecting from me that I will do good in study. So it was a challenge for me. So I didn't tell my parents that I am doing this Instagram stuff firstly. All right.
Oh,
Yeah, so I didn't tell them because if I will tell them, they will, they will stop me to doing all these thing, and just keep your focus on the academic stuff only. So yeah, this was the first thing. And the second thing was that I was giving my focus in the daytime. For example, like my classes were from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So that time I didn't use mobile, but in the evening time, I make like 1 or 2 hours to create content and then post it. So yeah, in the college days, I used to give my evenings to create the content, and that's how I managed it. It was tough, but people were appreciating me, so that's the thing that kept me motivating all the time, and that's how I created this community.
that's really cool and brilliant time management. I think I should learn from you because I can't manage things from for myself. That's good. So now, after all
All
these
right,
serious questions, I have a fun segment for you. Okay.
all right,
It's called a rapid fire round, and I will
okay,
be asking you three random questions. Okay.
all right,
And you can answer them in one word or a sentence.
all right.
Okay. So, my first question is, which is your favorite street food?
Well, I like Indian Chinese a lot.
Oh, okay. Indian Chinese food.
Yeah.
Okay. In that fried rice, noodles, which one?
Yeah, everything like fried
Everything.
rice, noodles. Yeah, everything in the Chinese stuff.
Okay, me too, me too.
So there is a thing called Chinese platter. I
Hmm.
prefer this in the street food. So
Okay.
that's my favorite.
I think it'll have everything, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, cool. My second question. The most memorable gift you ever got?
Well, to be very honest, this is classy women. All right. I don't know because classy women gave me like so many things, like my personal growth, financial independency, and everything. Like I got the chance to meet so many great people. So yeah, I believe thanks to God. to motivate me all the time to keep working on this community. So for me, Classy Women is the best gift.
Wow. It's truly, truly a blessing. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. My last question is one interesting fact about yourself.
All right. So I believe one interesting fact is that, like, I am 24 years old, but I don't look like that. So most of the time, people underestimate me. They think I'm just, a small kid, a school going girl. But when they get to know about me, that I am running this community, I am into the social media stuff, they just get shocked. So I believe this is the interesting thing people get to know about me. I think, yeah.
Yeah. Well, I must say it is always good to be known lower than your age, right?
Definitely. Definitely, yeah. That's okay, because, and to be very honest, these things really don't matter at all how you look, or anything. All it matters that how you work, how you are helping people. And yeah, that's what I think. Like looks and everything, how you are look, that doesn't matter at all.
True, true. I totally agree on that. Well, that was the end of the rapid fire round. Your answers were amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, now we are heading to the last segment of our podcast where I would like to ask for your advice for listeners.
All right. So, well, I am too young to give advice to anybody, but still, what I am working on it is self love. All right. So, I want to advise everybody to love themselves, because that is very important. When you are someone who is very ambitious person, who is trying to achieve their goals in that journey, you have to love yourself. So practice self love every day.
Brilliant,
That's it.
brilliant advice. Yes, I agree. Self love is most important. If you don't love yourself,
Definitely.
then how can you even, be happy? If you be happy, only
Definitely.
then you'll make others happy, right?
Definitely. Definitely.
Thank you so much, Komal, for this advice and doing this podcast with me. I know you're super busy with so many things, but you took out time from your busy schedule to do this podcast with me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It was great fun recording this podcast.
Same here. Okay, listeners, if you have liked this podcast, please subscribe to the YouTube channel of The Limelight. And also, I will be giving details regarding Komal's Classy Women on Instagram. Please do follow, and her content is brilliant, as I said. And this podcast will be available on 8 different podcasting platforms, also highlighted on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and on my WhatsApp status also. Thank you for listening. You have a great day ahead. Allah Hafiz.